So earlier we saw a one-to-one function. So a one-to-one function, that means for one x, there's only one y. So then if I take the inverse of that, so every x has only one y, so then if I flip those points around, every one y will have only one x. So there's still only one y for each x. All right, so a function f of x is one-to-one if and only if for each y in the range of our function, the equation y equals f of x has only one solution. So for every y, I can get only one x. This IFF is notation for if and only if. We can also use the double-headed arrow to show this. So show algebraically that y equals 2x squared is not a one-to-one function. So if I'm going to solve to get my y values, if I solve this equation, I end up getting that x is plus or minus square root of y over 2. So notice that for one y value, I have two possible x values. So this function is a many-to-one function. There are many x's that lead to one y. All right, show that f of x equals 4 minus x is one-to-one. So when I get my y by itself, I end up with, let's see, negative y plus 4 is equal to x. So each y value has only one x, and vice versa. So each x yields one y, and vice versa. So, and each y leads to just one x. All right, so to find the inverse, I'm going to switch my x and y, and now I'll get y by itself. So this is my inverse, but it's also my original function. Cool. This kind of function is called a self-inverse.